Hello, welcome to West Yorkshire Engines. Big thank you to all you guys who subscribe around the world. In today I was hoping to be able to share with you a good welding video. We've managed to get all the tackle arranged in today to try and get this job done on this vehicle behind me, and it turns out a little bit more serious than that. Watch this clip that we did earlier today when the customer was actually here who owns the vehicle. Oh, look at that shot. Look at it now. Stevie Wonder. Stevie Wonder. Stevie Wonder. And that ain't one year Stevie Wonder, is it? And that's not even standing on back of it, is it? No. And hey, is that Stevie Wonder? Is that how many years Stevie Wonder? Oh. Oh. That is dangerous, Sean. Look at now. Woo. How many Stevie Wonders has that had? No. Being honest, how many has that had? I don't know what to do now. So what would it cost to put that other one right? Probably that. Look at the box there. To put, swap them, you know what I mean? So right guys, what do you think to that? How many Stevie Wonders were in that? Right, so what I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to lift it right up and we'll have a close look at what the damage is on both sides.
Looks like it's going to stop, doesn't it? That's fine.
Right guys, for safety reasons, health and safety reasons, I won't be standing underneath this one, that's for sure. I don't even like standing next to it here. But come and have a look at this side, guys. It's completely give away where the leaf spring is. Completely given away. So that's it, this bad boy's had its day, I'm afraid. Owners only owned it a couple of months, we give a couple of grand for it. Now it's scrap, it's parts only for this baby. Right guys, so you need to treat your chassis at a very early stage, and this is even on your very latest vehicles. Treat your chassis very, very early. Wheel arch protection, and you'll be happy days. Look after it. Because there's no anti-corrosion with on the chassis. So if you need my help and assistance at all, please feel free to get in contact with me on 01274, no forget that one, 01484 420 430. Find us on Facebook, email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. 930, what's that? I didn't, it's 930. 420 930 guys. Give it a like and come again.